everybody, I'm Rachel and welcome to this mobility section for the posterior chain. If you are feeling a little bit tight in the upper back, the shoulders, the glutes, the hamstrings and calves, and let's face it, who isn't? This workout, this flexibility, this mobility section is just for you. Are we ready? We're going to take the legs a lot wider than hip width, so a really wide stance. Engage the core and start to lunge side to side. So this could be a little section that you tag on the end of a workout, or this might be something that you do first thing in the morning if you feel particularly stiff, or even at the end of the day. It's going to fit right in however you want it, and I'm always choosing some of the tighter areas. Okay, let's add an arm. We reach up and up. So wherever you are on the mobility scale, everybody can benefit from mobility work. Everyone, always useful. Just reach it across the body and then we're going to reach and circle. Think about getting the upper back really warm. 2 more, 1 more, and then hold. Kind of a little bit of a breaststroke, and I'm squatting. There we go. Arms over the top again, right side. We reach and reach. And then we go across the body. There. 2 more. That breaststroke and bend. Very nice. Now the upper back, we're open. We push forward and we open out. So just open the chest. Start to activate the back of the shoulders. And we've still got the legs wide. Lovely, 1 more. Okay, hold both arms in front. Hold, push away. And then let's lift up. Take your arms back over and just hit those shoulders. Bring your arms slightly forward and then back again. Ooh, notice how your shoulders feel. I've got a nice clunk there in my left shoulder. A dynamic way of increasing mobility. Ooh, anytime you need to take a rest, take a drink, you know, that's cool with me. Hold it, drop the chin forward, the arms are right back over, and then we're lunging side to side, reaching up and back. There you go, posterior delts. Good, let's bring your arms behind, and then lift up. Whoa. So squeeze back, behind, towards your glutes with both arms. You're going to hold the right knee. Hold. Both arms up. Once again, pull back. Now anchor over towards the right side. Feel it. Can you feel it? Yes, we can feel it. Bring it back through center. Push back again. Bring your arms forward and then open. Forwards. Now use the chest, use the rib cage just to ripple through the upper back. Hold at the front and then lift back again. Hold. Bend into that left knee. Here we go. Over the top. There we are. Hold it. Push both arms back. You can do it. I feel my right leg sliding away. Bring both arms up. Both legs. And then forwards. Just bring the feet a little bit closer together. And a deep squat. So a squat right down. Reach your nose. Good, sit back into that squat. Now I'm going to turn just to face my mat, so I'm on an angle. 1 more. Hold it. Take your hands behind your back. Now just lift and slowly roll down. Take the arms over the top. Good, bend your knees and then roll up. So you have your arms to the top. We lace and push back. Let go. Take the hands around the back, lift up, stretch the chest, drop the head, neck and shoulders, roll down, bend the knees, hold it. Good. Oh, it's our favorite track. Arms down. You're going to roll all the way up and then lift. Bring your arms forward, deep squat, sunshine. Really want you to get the hips and the glutes back. 2 to go. 1 more. Now just tap out with the right leg. So we're just going to tap and then bring it back. So you're moving into an active hamstring stretch. So bend the knees, support the body weight, and just feel an easy stretch into the hamstrings. Contract the core as you go. We're going to hold it down this time and then flex and point. Flex and point. Just feeling that activation into the hamstrings. Can you feel it? Yes, Rachel, we can. Sunshine. And then hold it. Hold. Push the back down for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Deep squat. Sunshine. Whoa. Starting to get that. One more. Bring the left leg in front. Here we go. We push and then lift. Hold it. Now flex and point. Good. Point and flex. Again, you're feeling the hamstrings start to react. And then hold it. Push down. 4, 3, 2. Come up. Deep squat. Sunshine. Good. So we're getting the hamstrings there really involved in this mini mobility. Okay, roll down slowly, head, neck and shoulders, hands to the mat, walk forwards. Okay, let's work on your calves. I'm going to take my hands a little bit wider actually than the mat, and then lift onto your tiptoes and push down. Good, calves. So roll up. Here we go, 8 more, tiptoes and push down. Up onto your tiptoes, push down. Ooh. Good, posterior chain, hamstrings, calves and Achilles. Good, lift. One more, I'm really rolling my body weight forward over the shoulders and hold it. Hold, now take one leg behind. Let's take the right leg behind. Now go. Tiptoes, push it back. And tiptoes. So really roll through that foot. One more. And then switch. So we lift and push it back. Onto the tiptoes and then press it down with the calf. One more. Good. Now both heels down. Lengthen. Push away from the floor. Good, you've got it. Drop the knees now. Down to the mat, but almost, and then push back. So again, calves and hamstrings. Life is a bad you can do this. 4 more. Push back. Here's your 3. Use the core muscles. 2 more. 1 more. Are you ready to hold? Hold, hold. Good. Bring both knees down. Hands under your shoulders. And just for the back. Oh, push. And then through the center. Stretch off the back. Good, good. Come into the middle. Push the hips to the right and to the left. Oh, so again, just feeling the lumbo-pelvic area there. Starting to move. Okay. Push the heels down and the glutes down and reach both arms forward. Good. Come back up onto 4s. Curl your toes underneath. Walk your hands back in. We've got it. And then slowly, slowly, slowly roll up through the spine. Straighten the legs. Come through. Big circle. Both legs wide. Good. Nearly there. Lovely. 1 more. And then we conclude how we started. Lunge, side to side. Sunshine. Now we'll hold it in the right side. Hold it. Hold. And just stretch out the calves. So in this position. Twist. And then push back on this side. Get a lovely stretch here through the calves. You've got it. Through to center. Just bring the feet in. And a deep squat. Lovely. How you feel? With our mini posterior chain. Stretch. Good. Last one. Deep breath in. And breathe out. 1 more breath in. Good. Bring your hands together. Bring the hands down. And just shake out your arms and your legs. Brilliant. Well done. So there was our mini mobility posterior chain. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, let me know, leave a comment below, make sure you subscribe, switch on the notifications, and I'll see you on tomorrow.